Hey kids, welcome to the really super cool, awesome, amazing show of learning!
Hooray!
Today we're going to learn about the cardiovascular system.
Yeah!
Now, before you get scared, the word cardiovascular can be broken down and interpreted from back to front. First, the suffix AR means pertaining to. The root vascule means vessel, and, as we all know, the root cardio means heart. When we put it all together, cardiovascular means pertaining to the vessels of the heart. See, medical terms aren't that scary. So what are vessels? Vessels take blood on a journey from the heart all the way through the body and back to the heart. The strongest, biggest vessels are the arteries. They need to be strong to pump the oxygenated blood to the body. You see the OLE and ULE at the end of these words? Well, that means little, so arteriole just means little artery. Next are the capillaries. You see how thin they are? They need to be thin so the blood can trade oxygen for carbon dioxide with the body cells. Once the blood is all out of oxygen, it goes through the veins back to the heart. Also, your blood is not blue. Your veins just look blue through your skin. So what really happens at the heart? Let's follow our friend Buddy the red blood cell through the heart. First, Buddy enters the heart through the superior or inferior vena cava. From there, he goes into a chamber called the right atrium. Then he passes through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle. A valve is just like a one-way door for blood to get from one chamber of the heart to another. After this, he travels through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary usually refers to the lungs, so Buddy is traveling all the way to the lungs. Buddy gets the oxygen he needs to carry to the rest of the body through the lung capillaries. From the lung, Buddy returns to the heart through the pulmonary vein into the left atrium. Then he passes through the mitral valve and into the left ventricle. From there, Buddy goes through the aortic valve into the aorta, where he can travel to the rest of the body. Do you remember what vessel carries the oxygenated blood like Buddy? That's right, the artery. Buddy travels through the arteries to where does the transfer of oxygen occur? Good job, it's the capillaries. Buddy gives his oxygen to the body cells and trades it for carbon dioxide. Which vessel brings Buddy back to the heart? Right again, the vein. Buddy goes through this cycle over and over and over and over and over again, on an average of 100,000 times a day. Well, that's all for the really super cool, awesome, amazing show of learning. See you next time!